Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, very good morning, children. Is that your name? That's nice to know. Yes. So, do you know what is going to happen today? Are you people ready for that?
Multiplication is when you times something, like you don't add a number. So imagine 6 times 6.
Is nothing but repeated addition. All to turn on the videos and show me a thumbs up that you people are ready to do that. Who is this?
Teacher.
Yes, tell me.
I am Avyan.
Hi, Avian. Very good. That's really nice to know.
100 times 4, 100 times 5, 100 times 6,
Yes,
100
correct.
times 7.
True. That's really nice. And you know, you people are going beyond 100. Let's come back to the numbers below 100. Okay? Table to 20 table. We just need to place a zero. You're not able to 1 3, isn't it?
101.
Oh, you want to write 101? Yes, try writing 101. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Super. Come on.
Study.
Done, ma'am. Oh, very good. I want you all to write table 98 now. Those who finished 45, go for table 98. 98 is also done, children.
Below table 57.
Be quick.
Fine, I'm on table 45.
Oh, very good. Come on. So, all others, children, hope you really understood the concept and the application. Right? Very good. And still, don't worry, while working with these kind of numbers, if you have any doubt, anyways, I'm going to meet you next Saturday at 11:30 a.m. IST. Be ready with your doubts. We'll clear there and go for a new concept. Got it?